All right, dudes and dudettes, we are back for more fun. This assignment is called 2.3 Robot Party. So in this one, Robot EL33T is organizing a sweet party, but it can't operate without efficient rules to guide it. Help it throw the best party possible. So our inputs are questions about party conditions. Our output is the robot's actions, and our requirements here is that we use logical operators and or to determine the state of the party. We're going to use an if conditional to make decisions. And then for our challenges, we have add another party attribute, such as ask another question at the top, such as how long the party should be going on. Or we can give the robot a new action based on the attribute, such as when to bring the food out. Or we can add a new clause to the conditional that tests for the right party state before performing the action. And we could use the not operator. We could create a new condition to test using the not operator as part of the condition. And we could give the robot a new action based off of that not condition. So those are options for you to challenge your coding expertise. So before we get started, let's run the solution to see what we're dealing with. So it should operate with, okay, how many people are here? I'm going to say 20. Is the music loud or soft? Let's say soft. Does someone want to dance with you? Yeah. Turn the music up. Oh, okay. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and maximize the screen to make it easier for you to see. And we are going to start off strong at line 6. So line 6 talks about our input. Our first two comments are at line 8 and 9. So it says, ask how many people are here. Typecast that to an integer and assign to the variable people. So if you remember, we start with people. That's our variable. Assign means equal. We need to typecast it to an integer. So int first, parenthesis, then input, because we got to ask a question, parenthesis. So here's our question. How many people are at this party? Question mark. Or I could say how many people are here. I guess I'm getting a little too, out there, but you get the idea. So how many people are here? How many people are at this party? Good enough. Don't forget that you have two parentheses at the end because you have an opening there and an opening there. Ergo, you need two closings at the end. Next question, it says, ask, is the music soft or loud? And we're going to use L and S and assign to variable music. Start with the variable music equals input, parenthesis, quotation mark, is the music soft or loud? I guess I'm kind of doing that backwards, aren't I? So we go L, S, L, S for soft or loud, question mark, spaces, quotation mark, parenthesis, because I don't like my answers. Here, let me leave some spaces there. I don't like my answers like up against my question. And then line 19 says, ask, does someone want to dance with you? Yes or no? And assign to variable dance. So we go dance, equal for assign, input, ask the question, does someone want to dance with you? Question mark, Y or N. Leave some spaces, question mark. Oops, I already did the question mark. Spaces, quotation mark, parenthesis. Now we're going to test it. Make sure we have no bugs. So how many people's there? Let's say 12. Is music loud? Soft? Someone want to dance with you? No. And program ended, but no bugs. Oh, yay, no bugs. No bugs, no bugs. So now let's go down to the robot rules. So right about line 25, it says if people is greater than 3 and music is equal to S. So setting up my if people greater than 3 and music equal S for soft, colon. We're going to print turn that music up. Turn that music up. Don't forget to tab over your print. Okay, turn the music up. You know, that's kind of boring. I'm going to say this. Pump up the volume. Haha. That's a good song, kids. Retro. You need to look it up. CNC Music Factory, I think they're the ones that sung that, but it was a good one. Okay, so now let's test it out. And I'm looking for more than 3 and soft so that I can see that print line. More than 3 and soft. So I'll say 4 and soft. And does someone want to dance with you? No. And it says pump up the volume. I like that. Okay, so now line 32, it says LF people is less than 4 and music is equal to L. So LF people less than 4 and music equal L, colon. If that happens, we're going to say turn the music down. Okay, print. And I'm going to say stop the beat. Nah, we're going to say turn down the beat. Turn down the beat. Why? Because I want to be fancy. And let's test that. So I need to test for less than 4 and loud. So we're going to say 2 and loud. And no. And turn down the beat. Alright, so far that works. Next LF says LF music is equal to L or dance is equal to Y. So LF music equal L, not 1, it's an L, or dance equal Y. Okay. So in this or situation, one or the other needs to be true, not both. Up here, with our less than 4 and music L, they both had to be true. Okay, so in this one, we're going to say bust a move. Okay, so we're going to print, parenthesis quotation mark, don't just stand there, bust a move. Retro music again, folks, or some similar dance message. Okay, so let's test this out. So I've got LF music loud or dance Y. Okay, so I'm going to say Y to dance. Okay, so how many people's at the party? 5. Is music soft? Do you want to dance? Yes. Pump up the volume. Okay, that didn't give me. And what did I do wrong? LF music equal loud or, oh, okay, so let's try this. How many people's at the party? 5. Is the music loud? Does someone want to dance with you? Yes. Don't just stand there, bust a move. Okay, it worked. Now let's do our else. I mean, this one's super hard. Here we go. Ready? Oh man, that was the hardest line we wrote all day. And then if we get an else, we're going to say chat with your guests. Print. Talk to your friends. Okay, or something similar. Because why not? Alright, so I'm not sure what I need to do to get an else. Because my brain is like mushy. Okay, so let's try it this way. I'm going to say how many people's at the party? 3. Is music soft? Someone dance with you? No. Ah, there it goes. Talk to your friends. Alright, ladies and germs, that is it for Robot Party. Go forth and add in a challenge, please, to test your knowledge since you now have a nice base, and have fun with it. Toodles.